Good morning, dear children. Every day at school teaches us something new, not just from books, but from our habits too. Now it's time to leave school and pack the school bag. The good student girl carefully packs her bag in an organized manner. She keeps her books, notebooks, and stationery in the right place. She checks her timetable and makes sure nothing is missing. Her bag looks neat and she feels ready for the next day. The bad student boy throws everything into his bag carelessly. Books are mixed up, papers are folded, and things are misplaced. Later, he cannot find his homework and feels frustrated. His bag becomes messy and disorganized. Being organized saves time and avoids stress. Carelessness creates confusion. Now, students are waiting in a queue line. The good student girl stands patiently in the line. She waits for her turn calmly without pushing others. She follows discipline and respects everyone's space. Everyone appreciates her polite behavior. The bad student boy does not stand properly in the line. He pushes others and tries to go ahead. This creates disturbance and others feel uncomfortable. He is asked to go back and stand properly. Patience and discipline show good manners. Impatience creates problems for everyone. Now it's time to study at home after school. The good student girl comes home and completes her homework on time. She writes neatly and carefully, making sure everything is correct. She stays focused and finishes her work without delay. She feels confident and relaxed after completing her tasks. The bad student boy comes home and avoids doing homework. He keeps delaying his work and spends time watching. Later, he feels stressed when his homework is incomplete. He struggles to understand lessons and falls behind in class. Doing homework on time builds responsibility and knowledge. Avoiding work leads to stress and poor performance. Now it's time to relax and learn at home. The good student girl finishes her homework and then reads a mystery comic book. She enjoys the stories and learns new facts with curiosity. Reading improves her imagination and knowledge. She feels happy and inspired every day. The bad student boy does not read books. He spends his time only on games or watching without learning anything new. He misses the chance to grow his knowledge and creativity. Over time, he finds studies more difficult. Reading good books builds knowledge and imagination. Avoiding learning activities slows your growth. It's time for the parent-teacher meeting at school. The good student girl meets the teacher with her parents. The teacher praises her for her hard work and discipline. Her parents feel proud and happy about her progress. She feels confident and motivated to do even better. The bad student boy also attends the meeting. The teacher talks about his lack of attention and incomplete work. His parents feel concerned and advise him to improve. He realizes he needs to change his habits. Hard work brings appreciation and confidence. Neglecting responsibilities leads to disappointment. Children, every small action you take, whether in school or at home, helps build your future. Packing your bag neatly, standing patiently in line, finishing your homework on time, reading a mystery comic book, and respecting your teachers. These are the habits that make a good student. But being careless, rushing, ignoring responsibilities, or not listening properly can slowly turn into bad habits. So, always pause and ask yourself, am I doing the right thing like a good student? Remember, discipline, patience, and curiosity are the keys to success, because a good student today becomes a confident and successful person tomorrow.
If you enjoyed watching the video, then give a like and subscribe to our channel.